Okay, listen, I need you to really listen to this. Put your phone down, put your headphones in, and just walk while you listen to me, okay? Look, I don't know you personally, but I know us. I know that feeling of desperation. And when you search for how to lose weight easy, I kind of want to reach through the screen and shake you a little bit. Because come on, 2 years ago, I was standing exactly where you are right now. I was pushing 200 pounds. I was struggling to breathe just tying my shoes. Looking at me now, you might think I've always been this way. I haven't. That transition took 2 years, not 2 months. 2 years of hell, actually. So the first thing, and I'm going to be harsh here because I care, is you have to delete the word easy from your brain. Right now, if it was easy, everybody we know would be walking around with six-packs. It's not easy, but, and here's the bridge, it is simple. It's boringly simple. And that's why you're failing. You're looking for a complex hack because the simple truth is too painful to accept. So let's go deep. No textbook crap, just real life. This is exactly what I did to save my own life. Step 1, it's the math, but it's the feelings behind the math. You know you need a calorie deficit. Everyone knows that. But why haven't you stuck to it? Because you're trying to starve yourself. You think diet means eating a piece of lettuce and being miserable. Stop that. When I was 200 pounds, my stomach was stretched. I needed volume. So here's the trick. You don't eat less food, you eat less dense food. For the next 2 weeks, I don't want you to count calories yet. I just want you to do one thing, prioritize protein. And I don't mean try to eat healthy. No, I mean every single time you put something in your mouth, you ask, where is the protein? If it's a snack, Greek yogurt. If it's dinner, chicken, eggs, tofu, cottage cheese, whatever. Why? Because protein shuts off the hunger hormone. It's that simple. When you eat carbs like that pasta we love, your blood sugar goes zoom and then it crashes, and 2 hours later you're hangry and you binge. Protein keeps you stable. Step 2, the one-plate rule. We overcomplicate this. You don't need a private chef. Here is what you do for lunch and dinner. Imagine your plate. Cut it in half. That entire half, green stuff, boring stuff, cucumber, broccoli, spinach. You have to eat that first, before you touch the rice, before you touch the meat. Why? Because it fills the physical space in your stomach for like 50 calories. It's a cheat code. You literally trick your brain into thinking it's full. Then the other half of the plate, half protein, half whatever carb you want, rice, potato, whatever. If you just do this, protein priority and the one-plate rule, you will drop the first 5 to 8 pounds of water weight in a week. And seeing that number drop. That's the only motivation that actually works. And quickly, before we move on, I accept tips but not cash. I accept likes and subs, and to prove you actually donated, drop a comment below. Do it now to fund the next video. Now step 3, and this is where I'm gonna scold you a little bit. Movement. And no, I don't mean go to the gym. I know how this goes. You'll go to the gym for 3 days, you'll get sore, you'll feel intimidated by the buff guys, and you'll quit. Stop lying to yourself. You don't need the gym yet. You need to walk. I lost the first 30 pounds just walking. That's it, but you have to be obsessive about it. We sit all day, right? You're at your desk, I'm at mine, we are sedentary. You can't fix 10 hours of sitting with 1 hour of gym. You need to hit 10,000 steps. No, actually aim for 8,000 first. But here is the catch, it has to be every single day. Rain, walk inside. Tired, walk slower. Sad, walk while crying. I don't care. It's not about the calorie burn. Really, it's about identity. You are telling your body, we are not a lazy person anymore. Walking regulates your insulin. It lowers cortisol, that stress hormone that makes you keep belly fat. Just walk, put on a podcast and go. Step 4, the emotional audit. This is the deep part. This is where I struggled the most. You say you've tried everything, but tell me honestly, did you fix your relationship with boredom? Because I know you. You eat when you're bored, you eat when you're stressed. When I was heavy, food was my friend. It was my hug. You have to break up with food as your emotional support system. Here is what you're gonna do. Next time you want a snack, specifically in the evening, because I know we all binge at night, you're gonna wait 10 minutes. Drink a massive glass of water. Wait 10 minutes. If you are still hungry, eat an apple. If you don't want the apple, you aren't hungry, you are just bored. You have to be okay with feeling a little bit empty. Actually, let me rephrase that. You have to learn that hunger is not an emergency. We panic when we feel hungry. Oh no, I need energy. No, you don't. You have fat on your body, that is stored energy. Let your body eat that, sitting with that mild hunger. That is where the fat loss happens. It's uncomfortable, it sucks. But that discomfort, that's the fat leaving. You have to reframe it. And finally, step 5, the 2-day rule. You're gonna mess up, okay, let's just put that out there. You're gonna have a bad day, you're gonna get drunk, or you're gonna eat a whole pizza. The old you would say, oh, I ruined it. I'll start again Monday. Then you eat trash for 3 days. No, the rule is never miss 2 days in a row. If you ate like crap today, fine, enjoy it. But tomorrow morning, you are back on the plan, not Monday. Tomorrow. That is the only difference between me at 150 pounds and me at 200 pounds. At 200 pounds, a bad meal turned into a bad month. Now a bad meal is just a bad meal. We move on, so. To summarize, because I've been rambling, 1. Prioritize protein in every meal to kill hunger. 2. Vegetables first to fill the stomach volume. 3. Walk 8K to 10K steps. Non-negotiable, like brushing your teeth. 4. Stop eating your feelings. Distinguish between boredom and hunger. 5. Never miss 2 days. It's not magic. It's math and psychology. And listen, don't tell me you can't do this. I know you've survived hard days. I know you handle tough situations at work or with your family. This is just biology. You are not broken. You just have bad habits. I'm here. We aren't going to fail this time, but you have to stop looking for the easy way out. The hard way is the only way, but trust me, it gets easier the longer you do it. I accept tips, but not cash. I accept likes and subs. And to prove you actually donated, drop a comment below. Do it now to fund the next video.